We're in Nairobi, Kenya, in the SRI, parallel to the Future Earth conference happening. And one of the participants, Dr. Molemi, who is also very busy with the admin part of things as well. But Doctor, can you please introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Dr. Molemi Rauwane. I'm from Nelson Mandela University, a researcher, and also part of the Future Earth, as well as the SRI participant.
Okay. Can you please explain what is Future Earth? What is it all about?
Okay. Future Earth, the Africa Hub, is one of the components of the SRI as well as NRF that is led by University of Pretoria, Rhodes University for the African Hub. So it deals with sustainability in research and it has other different components in it. I am part of the mobility partnership that is happening within the Future Earth.
Oh, okay. Earlier on, I was part of in the room where you had a panel discussion and you said something that you've contributed around draft. I don't know if it's your research or can you please tell us more about it?
Thank you. Yes, I am a researcher and I'm working with plants that respond to biotic and abiotic stress. And drought stress is one of the components that I'm working with. Currently, we are working with sweet potato and cassava, of which I know a lot of people don't know about cassava in South Africa. But yes, we are trying to improve cultivars for tolerance to drought stress in cassava.
Okay. I think this thing has to do with climate change. Are you guys seeing things that are really, really impacting the crops, leading to you guys now doing this research?
Yes. Okay. Climate change is causing a lot of stress on our crop plants. The cultivars and the varieties that used to grow under normal conditions are unable to because of the climate change. So now we need to develop some cultivars that can be able to withstand the change in climate. Unfortunately, with whatever that we have right now, there's a lot of differences and the production goes it becomes low. So now we are trying to keep the production of our crops at a higher level so that we can be able to feed our people.
Oh, okay. So far, I hear that Pat Dougherty, you want to increase production, but what about the stressors? Do you guys manage to come up with something that can help our crops to tolerate this climate change?
Yes. So that is basically part of our project or our research. Understanding how plants respond to these different stresses, we can be able to tell which cultivars we can continue with and how to make them to become better. That's what we call the crop improvement. Once we know which ones are good and how we can improve them, those can be used to continue with growing them because we know they will be resistant or tolerant to the changing in climate. It may be multiple pathogens plus multiple other environmental factors like your drought, your heat, and so forth.
How far is this research? Is it in its early stages or progression?
With the sweet potato, what we are starting is still at the early stages, but other institutions have also started with their other research because we cannot do all the cultivars at once. So we are working closely with the Agricultural Research Council and University of South Africa. So it's still at the early stages, but we intend on continuing with this work based on funding. Thank you.
Yeah, clearly climate change is really going to cost us a lot in the long run. Do you have any last closing remarks?
Closing remarks that I can make is that we need to really take care of our environment, and we really need to take part, engage as people so that we can better the food security in South Africa. Unfortunately, we have to work with this so that we can address one of the SDGs, which is zero hunger. And with research and funding, of course, that can be done. Thank you.